Hello guys. So,
Oh, you're introing.
of course I am.
Bravo.
So today we need to put all of this stuff in that bag
Seems a bit small to me compared to the
Yeah.
amount of stuff that we need to put in.
as quick as possible.
There's even a book.
Yeah, there is. There are 2 books.
You don't carry many books with you.
We are too close, mate. We are too close. We don't have the mask.
You don't
Be
carry
careful.
many books in your bag. Eh?
No, I don't. I have an iPad. I read books on it. Wrong. Anyway, so should we start?
No, but put the rules. What are the rules? Because if not, we're gonna go like
So yeah, one item each time.
at a time.
Maximum at a time, exactly.
So we cannot go.
We cannot do like I do to pack my stuff.
Okay, and it's time, yeah.
Yeah, it's time.
Okay,
But you need to fit everything in.
so it needs to kind of be organized. If not, it doesn't fit in.
Let's see.
Although I always find a way.
Yeah, same. That's what I'm telling myself. But there are a lot of things now. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Oh my God, I feel good now. This is a lot smaller than what I thought.
That's why I'm taking my time. Bravo!
What? Ah, then there's 2, okay.
The suits are very big.
They are. I'm a pro, mate. Mate, your book, are you reading it or what?
No, I'm gonna put it here.
Oh, look at that beauty.
I'm trying.
That's exactly how I pack my bag to go to the races.
That quick.
Yeah?
I like taking my time. I think this goes here. No, it doesn't.
Mate, of course it does.
Yeah, but it doesn't close. Here, yes. And here.
You're very organized. I could put some of the things there. That's not very full for me.
Finito. Where did you put it? The book and all that?
Oh, there?
All in.
A little bit
Like in
of
poker.
strength and...
But I don't feel comfortable traveling with this. It's too disorganized. Look the boots. It's like
Look at
when you
that.
arrive, there's no boot. If you arrive. When you arrive, there's no cap.
2 caps. Beautiful caps. Oh, I fitted quite a bit of things there.
Where did you put the book? At the top?
Yeah.
I put it at the bottom. At the bottom?
We're done. I think I won this challenge, Carlos.
Yeah, I congratulate you for it.
Thank you.
For the
very much.
most disorganized guy in the paddock, I congratulate you.
Anyway, that's done, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in Monza. No, Zandvoort.
Ciao.
Zandvoort first. Ciao.